Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to hide text message on your iPhone and how we can do it. So let's get started. First of all, trying to turn off the show previews on your message app. So what you need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down. Now from here go to the search, tap here. Now search here for messages app. You have to tap here. I would search here and go for the messages, tap on it. Now from here tap on the notifications. Now from here you have to scroll it down a little bit and tap on show previews. Now you can see this has been set to when unlocked. You can change this to never. And once you're done with this one, this is the first and famous step and you have to try with it. Next one is all about you can give a face ID to the messages. So if someone wanted to read it, and right now if I try to open it, anyone can view what all kind of messages here. So I can give a face ID over here. So to do this, what you need to do is you have to go over here, press and hold on the message icon and tap on require face ID and go for the require face ID here, and you have to give a face ID over there. And once it is done, what you need to do is if you go to the text message over here once again, and right now it is asking for the face ID, and you can only use it whenever you give the face ID properly, then only you can unlock it over here. Without face ID, no one will be able to see your messages, and that's what you have to do. And another one is, which is the third step, that is all about using the invisible link. What you need to do is you don't get confused, just go to the text message over here, use a face ID properly, and from here you have to get into the number that you wanted to send a message, for example this one. And right now I'm just going to the text over here, I'm just going to tap over here at the bottom. I'm just going to type hey, and what I need to do is in order to make it invisible, I have to just press and hold this particular green icon over here. So let me do it, just press and hold, and over here as you can see it has been done like this, and you have to tap on invisible link, right? You have to tap on this one, then you have to tap on the arrow icon over here, so the message will be sent. So opposite person will be receiving the message like this, and you just need to tap on it so he can read it. This is what you have to do. And also apart from this, another one step is all about you can either you can send the message or read the message, then you can delete it. So what I'm trying to just go over here, give my face ID over here. Now I have just sent a message over here like this. Now if I wanted to make it, either I can unsend it or I can delete it. So after the message is delivered and the opposite person receive it, you can just go over here and just go over here, press and hold like this. You can just do like this, and what you need to do is just go to the more, and now you can select the message that you want to delete. If you want to delete the multiple messages, you can do like this. Then go for delete icon over here and go to delete 5 messages, so everything will be deleted here. And this is how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.